Hi, hello there. I'm Steve, the AI Teacher Guide. Welcome to my channel where we teach teachers how to save time and build better resources by leveraging AI. Now, if you have enjoyed these videos, please do give us a like and subscribe down below, as that does help with the YouTube algorithm and getting the message out there of how awesome AI is. Now, I had a question today about how to get the formatting that you get from ChatGPT into a way that you actually want it to look like. Now, this came from Athena online, and this is what her question was. So formatting with AI, she had some issues with the output, and she saw that there was all a whole heap of hashtags, asterisks, the bolding and the numbering was all over the show, and it just doesn't look the way that she was wanting. So this was the sort of stuff that she saw. So she had wanted the headings to look something like that instead of like that. Then she wanted to have, instead of the bullet points here with the numbers and all that, the output came out looking like this, just looking all over the show and just not looking that professional. So it does take a little bit of sort of the impact from what you're saying, and then you got to go through and format it all, which is really, really painful. So I've made a quick little quick essay, I would say, about why skiing is better than snowboarding. I know, controversial. Here, so I've got the history in the skiing, and then I've got the top 10 reasons to make it look similar to what she was trying to do with the numbered points and the bullet points under each one. And just to show you what that would look like in Word, if we open up a brand new Word document and we just do the straight copy and then we paste that in, lo and behold, you can see exactly what she's talking about. So there's asterisks all over the show, there's stars all over the show. It just doesn't look professional. All right. Now there's two ways of fixing this. I'm going to show you the shortcut way, which is a little bit quicker, but doesn't quite get it the way that you want. Is in Word, you have the replace tool. So you can come up here to replace, and then you can go hash and then replace all, and then that'll fix all those ones. And then you can go star and then replace all, and then that will fix it up to make it look somewhat better. So you can see it's got rid of that formatting issue and it looks a little bit better. But again, there's some things that might not necessarily come through, and you've got to read through and make sure that it looks exactly what you're looking for. So it's not really the best way of doing it. So I'm going to show you a better way of doing it. Now, this takes a little bit more time, but you'll get it looking exactly like the Word document that you want. So to do this, you go, your task is to export this to a Word document, full stop, then Shift and Enter. And then this was one of the things I found when testing that you needed to be a bit more explicit with. Make sure the number points stay. And then the bullet points under the number points need to be single bullet points. Let's run that and see what happens. So what it's going to do is going to actually generate Python code to export all this, which is really, really cool. And it's going to make sure it has all the headings layered in the right way that they need to come out, and then all the bullet points as well. So it's going to structure this document to look exactly the way Athena was sort of wanting to hopefully get the output to look like. And it's just taking one extra little bit of prompting by writing that. Now you can play around with this exported document once you're finished with it, but it's going to make it significantly easier for people to sort of play around with this. So rather than having to do the replaced trick that a lot of people are doing on the internet, this will give you the raw document at the end. So if I go download this file, I'm going to download it, and then if I open it up, you're going to see the document. And then you can see that it's got the headings, it's got the bullet points, it's got the numbered points as well. And then to change this, you just would change the template that you've uploaded this in. So instead of having the title look like that way, you would have your own structure of what the Word document would look like. So that allows you to do some real cool customization and really quickly. So hopefully that's helped and given Athena the answer to her problem. So that's it from me. Hope you have enjoyed this solution. If you have, please do give us a like and subscribe down below. Please feel free to reach out if you've got any other questions or scenarios that you would like me to have a crack at and see if I can solve. I love doing this. This is something that I'm really passionate about. And yeah, that's it. Thanks again. See you next time on the AI Teacher Guide. Adios.